What is up, everybody? My name is Michael Garnica and you're watching Mike's TV. A couple months ago, I decided to prank my mom with this baby right here. Here's a clip of that day.
Vas a verlo, ¿eh? Voy a pegar un pinche infarto.
So then, I was like, you know what? I should do a compilation of air horning my mom. So today was gonna be the first day I was gonna air horn her. And this is what happened. Mom, ¿estás bien? Mom.
Pura nada, yo te estoy haciendo esta broma, cabrón.
Mami, pensaba que te desmayaste.
¿Por qué me estás mojando? Me acabo de bañar.
Yo pensaba que te desmayaste.
Para que agarres la pinche onda, que a mí no me vas a andar grabando. Ya miré la cámara ahí.
God damn it!
Has de estarme bromeando, has de estar bromeando. Mira cómo me mojaste.
Te fue todo. Oh my god, dude. Yo pensaba que te desmayaste.
Yo que te desmayaste.
Te golpeaste toda.
Mira nomás, mira el moretón que me hice.
God damn
Mira
it,
el
guys.
moretón que me hice.
Oh my. Ándale, así por bromeando, ándale.
No por tu culpa.
Oh my god. Alright, guys, you know what? She actually got me. What the heck? Like, come on. If you guys want to see me actually, like, do a successful prank, like this video to show me.
Te vuelves a hacer otra broma, vas a verlo, ¿eh? Qué bárbaro, qué bárbaro.
This video, like this video for another prank. Don't matter what she's saying. Like this video for another prank and make sure to share with your friends to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care. Peace.